Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can add a linked bank account to your Venmo. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So in order to link bank account to your Venmo, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to log in into your Venmo account. And as you're logged into your account, right at the bottom, you'll be able to see a dollar icon. You'll need to tap on the icon. As you tap on the icon, you'll be directed to the profile page. And right on top, you'll be able to see a gear icon. You need to click on it. As you click on the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings page. Under settings, you'll have a multiple option. Next page, once again, you'll have a list of options, and from there you need to click on payment methods. Next, you'll be directed to the page where you need to enter your bank detail. So for that, you need to click on add a bank or card, and as soon as you click on the option, a drop down menu appears, and among the list you need to click on bank, which is right on top. So as you click on bank, you'll have two different options to verify your account. First of all, read the instruction and then click on any of these options. If you tap on instant verification, then it's gonna verify your account instantly, and if you do it manual, then you'll need to provide some of the bank details. So for this method, you should definitely go with the instant verification. As you click on instant verification, once again you'll have a statement. First of all, make sure to go through all of the statement and then click on continue. After that, you'll be directed to the page where you'll get to select your bank account. Now from here, you need to select the bank account that you want to link it to your Venmo, and after that you need to enter your login details of your online banking account or the bank that you want to link it to your Venmo, and then click on submit. In order to verify your identity, OTP will be sent through an SMS, phone or an email. So you need to select either one of these following options. So once you're done selecting it, next interface you need to enter the verification code, and after you're done entering the verification code, you've successfully linked or added bank account to your Venmo, and now you'll be able to add money from your bank account to your Venmo. That is how you can add a linked bank account to your Venmo. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.